Hey guys, it's your boy Jah back again with another video, and this one's gonna be my 1 month later review of the Dbrand bumper grip case. Now I'll post a link in the description below of me unboxing and installing the case and the camo skin, which I love this thing. I don't know, I just like the texture and everything. It's a great bumper case. I'm not generally hard on my devices. I generally get a case or a screen protector well before the device actually arrives, or I get it, or however it's getting to me, or if I go buy it, I'll usually get a screen protector or something before I even get it. So I did have one. I had a Speak and Clear case for it, so the back of my phone is A1. But the front, I probably can't see, but it has a few scratches here and there. That's just because if you know the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and the curved design of the screen, it's really hard to at the time find a screen protector, or I like to use tempered glasses to actually contour to the curved screen, so it's whatever. Now when I got a bumper case through the campaign that Dbrand was doing over on Indiegogo, I know I love that word, on Indiegogo, I was like, okay, let me try it, you know. I've never done one of the little campaign things before, so I was like, oh, let me try it, you know, wasn't that much. And I picked my device, everything's smooth transaction, everything, the whole process was really smooth. And once I got the case, I was like, or the grip, let me stop calling the case a grip. I was like, okay, this thing is gonna, this thing's gonna hold up good. It does give a lot of grip to the actual device, so it's not going anywhere, and well, it's not going anywhere. Like I am pushing it, it's like going, but it's not. You have to put really good force on it to go anywhere. And with mine, I got the camo skin. Did I tell you I like this thing? I don't know. I just love this skin. It's great. Everything held up good, and when you first get it, buttons were kind of sharp. I would say, I don't know what the better word to use, but they were, you felt the edges and everything, and they did say that after, you know, use and everything like that, they would go down, you know, smooth out, and they have, like, they're not as edgy, a better word, as they were before. Still tactile, you still feel them, still make a nice satisfying click when you push them. Yeah, but everything works out good. Now my only complaint, I don't even know when this happened, but let's see if you can zoom in. I don't know if you can see there. Yeah, the power button, a piece of it's missing. I don't know when that happened. A couple days ago it was hanging on by a little piece of rubber, and now it's gone. Yeah, so I don't know. It just baffles me, but it doesn't stop it from working at all. It still works, everything works fine, you know. So I would say that was my only complaint. It come with a 3.5 extender, so you know, you could always attach like any kind of headphones that probably won't fit in the opening, but for my use, most of the headphones I've used have fit in. I generally do like to use Bluetooth, but just having the option isn't pretty bad. Everything works out. The Dbrand skin cutouts, everything's good on there. The grip, it's, you know, it's not as tight as before, but really you're not gonna sit there and be like, oh my god, it sticks out a little bit. It's not gonna protect my phone. It has protected my phone from, you know, several drops, you know, just hits and, you know, bounces around, but nothing really damaging or anything to the actual phone itself. But this is a really good bumper case. If you're into bumper cases, not everybody's into those, but it fits me. Sides of my pocket, perfectly fine. You know, it doesn't hinder use or anything like that. Now it will add bulk to your phone because it is going around, you know, the circumference of the phone, so it's expected, but it's not overly bulky in any way, shape, or form. So you can rock this with your skinny jeans, if you wear skinny jeans. I don't wear skinny jeans, but yeah. So I am glad that I did back the campaign to get this. And Dbrand, you're doing good. You're doing good. So that's my review of this. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, for more content. Share this with your friends, your family, your dog, your bird, whoever you want to share it with. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.